In today's video, I'm going to teach you 21 amazing keyboard shortcuts in Photoshop 7.0 and what each one does. These shortcuts are incredibly useful because they help you work faster and spend less time digging through menus. Whether you're editing photos, building graphics, or creating a design from scratch, learning these commands can make your workflow feel much smoother and more efficient. Let's begin with some of the most essential file shortcuts. Ctrl+N creates a new document, which is perfect when you want to start a fresh project. Ctrl+O opens an existing image or Photoshop file from your computer, so you can jump right back into editing. Ctrl+S saves your current project quickly, and this is one shortcut you should get used to using often. If you want to save a separate copy with a different name or format, use Ctrl+Shift+S to open the Save As window. If you ever make a mistake, Ctrl+Z will undo your last action. For more control, Ctrl+Alt+Z lets you step backward through multiple edits one by one, which is especially helpful when you want to review recent changes. Now let's look at some key tool shortcuts. Press V for the Move tool to reposition layers, text, images, or selected objects on the canvas. Press M for the Marquee tool to create rectangular or elliptical selections. Press L for the Lasso tool when you need to draw a selection freehand. Press W for the Magic Wand tool, which selects areas with similar colors and is useful for simple background removal. Press C to switch to the Crop tool for cropping, straightening, or resizing your canvas. Press I for the Eyedropper tool to sample a color from your image. Press B for the Brush tool, one of the most commonly used tools for painting, masking, and retouching. Press S for the Clone Stamp tool to copy pixels from one area to another, which is great for cleanup and repair work. Press E for the Eraser tool to remove pixels from the selected layer. Press G for the Gradient tool to create smooth color transitions. Press P for the Pen tool to make precise paths and shapes. Press T for the Type tool to add and edit text, and press H for the Hand tool to move around your canvas when zoomed in. For transforming and editing, Ctrl+T opens Free Transform, so you can reset, rotate, skew, distort, or flip layers and selections. Ctrl+D deselects any active selection, and Ctrl+J duplicates the selected layer, which is a great habit for non-destructive editing. To zoom in, press Ctrl and the plus key. To zoom out, press Ctrl and the minus key. And finally, holding the spacebar temporarily activates the Hand tool, so you can quickly pan around your document and then return to the tool you were using. And that's it. These are 21 essential Photoshop shortcuts that can dramatically speed up your editing and make your workflow much more efficient. The more you use them, the more natural they'll become. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next Photoshop tutorial.